Hello again. Well, this is going to be a very short video today, but I just wanted to show you something, and Tony asked me a question: where did I get that? So I'll show you what it is. And it was in this room, or it's supposed to be in this room, but as you remember, I still have not put all my things back that I used for the small arts fair I went to. I exhibited there last summer. So it's been almost a year. But as I am now finished with my other project, first I have to do some things for Miniature in Tune as well. And after that, I'll have time to spend some I have some time to spend on my own miniatures and clean up this mess. I mean, it's really bad. There. Like last week, I wasn't even going to do a video today. Sorry. But yeah, because of Tony's question, I thought I'd just answer that. It's not the beautiful mobile workbench, which you have seen before, but it is this. It's a Black & Decker Workmate, and I thought I showed you that before as well, but maybe not. Or maybe Tony hasn't seen that video. That's a possibility. So here we go. It's one of those, I think it's called a Workmate, Black & Decker Workmate. It's one of those workbenches, and it folds out like that. It has a little I should wear my glasses. 1 second. There. Probably I'll be able to see a little bit better. Still, turn on the light. There's a there. You can move that, and because it locks in place, lift that up. It's not as easy as it looks. And then it folds. And you can move it up again. And then these go down there and there, and it locks in place. And then, of course, the legs fold out like that. And you can put it down. Very firm. And then these come out. You can just clamp your whatever project you're working on between these things. And then with these I don't know what they're called. Knobs. I'm going to call them knobs. You can turn handles. You can turn, I would say handles, yeah. Turn them and open this up. You can clamp a project in between. And it doesn't have to be straight. As you can see, you can open up one a bit wider and the other one, and you can close that again. I mean, it's really fun, and it's beautifully made. And as always, I love things that work. And, you know, you can open up. It's like this workbench as well. Everything functions. And that, I mean, it's not even such a difficult thing, but it's just so much fun. And this one as well. But yeah, So that was, Tony asked me about that. So I thought I'd show you. So that's where my little book of purchases comes in handy, because Tony asked me, where did I get it? Well, in my book, it says I got it in October 2010 at the fair in Arnhem. And it was made by Sergio Piacentino, which sounds very Italian, but he actually was from France. Or maybe he just lived there, I don't know. But so he made it. Like I said, this was back in 2010. And Sergio was not a young man. He was, I don't know, maybe in his 80s somewhere. So back in 2010, so that was 15 years ago. Piamini, his miniature's name was. And so I don't know if he's still, I'm guessing he's no longer making it. I'm sorry, Tony. But maybe you can find some on Etsy or somewhere, some estate sale or something like that. I don't know of anyone who makes these or made these other than him. And I also have, as you can see here, the folding table and also metal and chairs. And I also have a bench, which was also by him. And I unfortunately forgot to write down the prices. And here's some other ones that I forgot to write down. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know if he's still making this. And I doubt it. I doubt it. But, yeah, just wanted to show you this. So much fun. Love that it works. It's fantastic. So, that's your answer, Tony. I hope you can find one somewhere. And, yeah, it is pretty cool. Maybe we can make one ourselves. It's a bit complicated, I must say. And the detailing is quite good. So, yeah, I don't know. Very cool. And let me just quickly show you these as well. I just picked them up from they're in the garden of my single canal house. And here are the chairs, table, and the bench. And again, folding, lovely folding pieces. And what I really like about these as well is that they look old. They look like they've been in the garden for a while, which I think is really fun. The bench, same thing. It just folds like the real thing. And the table, I have to have a look at how that works. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. This pushes in like that. And then it folds. Just like the real thing. We actually used to have one of these. And I think it came from my grandparents, and I don't know where it is. Maybe it just died. Because they do. Actually, I still have one with wooden slats. I do have one. That one came from IKEA. And I use it a lot because, you can just fold them and reposition them. And especially in grass, I think it's very useful because when you're mowing, you can easily lift them up and put them somewhere else. So that's why I have those. So, yeah, that was a quick look at Serge's work. And I can't remember what else he made. I know I was very happy with these pieces, and yeah, I'm sure he made lots of other pieces. If you know, please let me know what he made, what else he made, or if you have any pieces. That would be interesting, just to have a look at his collection, because I couldn't find much online about it. So, well, again, short video, but thank you for watching. Until next time.